Hey there, here are 5 things that you can do to be a better developer in the year 2022. First one, learn about blockchain. Now, I know a lot of you might be thinking that here goes another guy who's going to talk about NFTs and cryptocurrency, but that's not the case. I just want you guys to focus on the blockchain protocol that goes behind building all of these decentralized systems. Now, there is no hiding the fact that blockchain might become the standard protocol behind any system that deals with transactions. And what I want you guys to do is just to create a basic implementation of blockchain in the programming language of your choosing. All you need to do is to know how to work with the standard cryptography library available for your language. For example, for JavaScript, it's crypto. So just create a bare bones implementation using the cryptography library so you understand how blockchain as a technology works. Not only you will understand the protocol, but you'll also get the added benefit of learning about system security because you'll be working with a lot of hashing and encryption algorithms. Number two, a full stack framework like Next.js. Next.js is a framework built on top of the Node environment which allows you to create React web pages. Now, React as a technology has matured, and there's no denying the fact that it's the undisputed framework when it comes to UI development. I just checked the numbers of a recruiting company here in India, which offers talent around web development, and about 60 to 70% of all the entry level jobs that they were receiving were around React developers. If you're just a beginner in the world of web development, maybe it will be your best option to start with React. Now, coming back to Next.js. Next.js as an environment not only lets you create web pages using React, but you can also use it to create APIs along with middlewares and gives you the added benefit of the simplicity that it brings. For the past 2 years, I've been using Next.js as my preferred choice of framework whenever it comes to developing a JavaScript application. Number three, contribute to the developer community. Now, let's say you're in a scenario where you're stuck with a problem and you checked all the online forums and GitHub issues pages, but you were not able to find the solution for this problem. So, you spend days debugging it, and at the end, you're successful and you find the solution for it. The next best thing that you can do after solving your issue is to create a well documented article around it and publish it on any of the forums. And also, if you can think about a new feature that can be added to one of these open source libraries that are using, please go ahead and communicate with the developers behind this framework. And they'll be more than happy to have you as a contributor towards their project. Or maybe you can just add your own YouTube channel and talk about the little things that you find interesting in the world of development. But do make sure that you're giving back to the community in some way or the other and keep on building on top of this amazing community that we have for the developers. Number four, work on at least 4 personal projects end to end. Now, you might be a great developer at the company that you're working in, but if your personal GitHub account is just the sound of crickets, then you need to change that. If you're really interested about a framework and you want to try it out, but you're not getting a chance to work on it in the company where you're working, please create a personal project around it. Maybe you can divide the year into 4 quarters of 3 months each and take that 3 months time to finish up one single project end to end. So let's say you want to learn how Apache Kafka is used as a event bus technology to act as the communication interface for all your microservices. And you also want to test out Next.js as a framework. So it'll be a good idea to create 2 or 3 microservices in Next.js and then use Kafka to make them communicate with each other using streams. And make sure that you're patient while learning these technologies and you do not give up early in the process. Learning anything new will take time. So spend months on a technology until you get comfortable with it. Number five, this might sound a little off topic, but it's really important to take care of your health. Now, I'm going to use the words uncertain and challenging times, but the time is actually challenging. We are seeing a record number of COVID cases, over a million every day. Before, when the whole thing started, it took months to reach a million COVID cases, but now a million cases are just coming in a single day. So it becomes paramount that you take care of your health and build up your immunity so that you can continue to do on the good work that you're doing. Now, I know developers are not considered as frontline workers during this pandemic, but it's because of the hard work of all the developers out there that this digital infrastructure that we currently use to literally connect the entire world, it's only possible because of you guys. And not only that, if you want to work efficiently daily for 5 or 6 hours all year round, you need to take care of your health and exercise regularly, else you will burn out easier than the people who are actually taking care of their health. So it really might be a great idea to start exercising if you're not already doing it. That was it for the video, and I'll see you guys in the next one.